Renting an apartment. Dialogue 1. Sam wants to rent an apartment. She saw an advertisement for a beautiful one in the magazine, so she's calling the housing agency to talk about it.
ABC Housing Agency, how can I help you?
Hi, my name is Sam. I saw an advertisement in a magazine for an apartment on XYZ Street. May I have some more information about it, please?
A moment, please. I will have to check if it is still available. Yes, it is still available. What information would you like to know, ma'am?
I would like to know if it is possible to already move in next month. I am in a rush.
If we finish the paperwork and you pay the deposit by the end of this week, it would be possible, ma'am.
That's good to hear. I will visit your agency tomorrow to check out the apartment. Can you make an appointment for me?
Of course, ma'am. Would 10 a.m. be okay?
That's perfect.
Great. See you tomorrow then. Please remember to bring your ID with you as well.
Thank you for reminding me.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can do for you, ma'am?
That would be all. Thank you and see you tomorrow. Have a great day.
You too, ma'am. See you.
Dialogue 2. Sam arrives at the housing agency. She is met with Mark, an agent, who shows her around the apartment she is interested in. Hello. I have an appointment scheduled at 10 a.m. for a viewing.
Oh, yes, you must be Sam, right? Nice to finally meet you. My name is Mark. We talked on the phone yesterday.
Hi, Mark. Nice to meet you too. May I ask if I am able to see the apartment already?
Definitely. Do you mind walking? It is right on the next block. It would take 5 minutes tops to get there.
That's okay.
Great, let's go. Are you tired? I'm sorry that you had to walk all of those stairs. The elevator is being fixed right now. It will probably work normally by the time you move in.
It's okay. Exercise for me, although I'd really appreciate the elevator.
I know. Let's have a look at this apartment, though. I'm sure you will love it.
Please, lead the way.
Okay, so this is the living room. It is very spacious. You can fit even 2 sofas in here. You will be able to host many gatherings in this space.
It is beautiful. May I see the kitchen and dining area as well? I usually spend a lot of time there, as I love to cook for my family and friends.
Of course. The kitchen is actually my favorite feature of this apartment. Its design is really modern and caters to its owner's every need. There is a fridge, an electric stove, an oven, and even a dishwasher.
Those are really useful indeed. I especially love the kitchen island in the middle. So trendy.
I see you have good taste. Come this way, please. The bedrooms and bathrooms are even more amazing.
How many bedrooms and bathrooms are in this apartment again?
This is a 2-bedroom apartment with an ensuite bathroom and a separate one at the end of this hallway.
That might be too many for me. I might have to find someone to share the apartment with.
That wouldn't be a problem, ma'am. We do allow sharing. Also, if you decide to start a family, this would be an ideal place.
I agree. I really love what I see so far, but I'll have to think about it carefully. This is the first time I'm living on my own. I want everything to be perfect.
I understand. Should we head back to the agency so we can talk some more about the details?
Yes, good idea. Dialogue 3. Sam loves the apartment she saw. She decides to take another step by discussing money matters with Mark.
So, Sam, what do you think?
I think the apartment is absolutely lovely. I would like to talk about money. How much would the rent cost here?
It is $1,000 a month. Electricity and internet not included.
Not included? Isn't that a bit expensive? Would $800 be sufficient?
I'm sorry. That price is too low for an apartment that size. We can give you other options if you want.
I really like that apartment, though. What about $900? That's all I can afford right now.
900 is lower than what we want, but we will make an exception for you.
Thank you so much. I would be really sad if I couldn't rent this place. It is an absolute gem.
Yes, we have had multiple inquiries about it so far. But since you called first, it is natural that you get to decide first.
I feel so lucky. Can you send me the contract later?
Of course. I will send it to you as soon as possible. It was lovely doing business with you.
Same for me. Thank you again, Mark. Dialogue 4. Sam received the contract through email. After reading it, she still wonders about a few things. She calls Mark to clear up any confusion. Hey, Mark. Sorry to bother you again. I just have a few questions about the apartment.
No problem, Sam. What is it?
I was wondering about some minor flaws I saw in the house. Like a few dirty spots on the wall or the broken lamp in the bathroom. Are those going to be fixed?
Of course. Our team will send someone there to make sure everything is spotless before you arrive.
Nice. What about pets? Am I allowed to own one? If yes, which ones?
That's okay, but you will have to pay a small fee of $20 a month. And we only allow cats and dogs.
I see. Do you know if there is any place for them to play around the apartment?
There's a park opposite it. No worries.
That's good to hear. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure, ma'am. Can I help you with anything else?
Actually, yes. Is there a train station or a bus stop nearby? I don't have my own car yet.
There is a bus stop right beside the building. You can also travel by train. But I believe the nearest train station is 1 kilometer away, so you'll have to walk a bit.
I got it. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Dialogue 5. Sam made a post online to find a flatmate. Christina sees it and gives Sam a call. Hello, is this Sam's number? Yes, Sam is speaking. How can I help you? I saw your post online about looking for a flatmate. I have all the information needed about the space, but do you mind me asking about you? I would love to get to know my future flatmate before I decide to move in. Of course! Go ahead, ask me anything you want. Okay. Are you a party animal? Sorry if this is a bit blunt. No. Are you? I can be sometimes, but I prefer to go out for that. I like my own space clean and quiet. Me too. I spend a lot of time tidying up. I can't stand having a messy house. Are you a night owl? When I'm busy, yes. But I also love my sleep, especially on the weekends. Do you smoke? Yes, but we can't smoke inside the building, so it wouldn't be a problem if you don't. I see. One last question. Is there a parking lot? I recently bought a new car and it would be awesome if I can park right where I live. Unfortunately, no. You'll have to park somewhere else. I know there is a parking lot a block away from this building. That actually is not that bad. I can deal with it. Thank you so much for answering my questions. It's nothing. Hey, I think we have a lot in common. You can move in any time you want. Even tomorrow is possible if you can finish all the paperwork. Really? Thank you so much. I will have to think about it and ask my parents about their thoughts on it as well. I'll let you know as soon as possible. Take your time. Just call me back when you're ready. I'm always on my phone. Got it, thank you. Hopefully, we will be great flatmates. Goodbye. I'm sure we will be. Call me soon. Bye-bye. Dialogue 6. Sam is horrified to find a few problems with the apartment. She contacts the housing agency for help. Hello, this is Sam. I'm a tenant at your apartment on XYZ Street. I'm calling to ask for help with the pipes. They are leaking everywhere. It is starting to get smelly in here.
Can you tell me exactly what happened, ma'am?
I'm not too sure. Maybe the drains got blocked? The water in the sink is draining really slowly.
Okay, I will call our technical department and see if they can send someone over immediately. It seems like an urgent problem.
Yes, thank you very much. I just got home from work and this is quite stressful. By the way, can you tell that person to fix the toilet as well? We haven't been able to flush for a few days, so we have to share one bathroom. It is really inconvenient.
Of course, ma'am, no worries. I will get back to you after I get a hang of the technical department. Is that fine?
Absolutely. Thank you so much for your help. I am a little freaked out, but I am happy that the agency is so quick at resolving these issues.
Our pleasure, ma'am. Please let me know if you need any other help.
I think that's it for now. I will call if there are any other problems, though.
Sure, ma'am. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye. Dialogue 7. After living with Christina for half a year, Sam finds a new job. Yeah, I got a new job. She contacts the housing agency again because she needs to move out. Hello, it's Sam again. I'm calling to inform you that I will be moving out next month due to a change of work. Congratulations on your new job, ma'am. We are sad to hear that you are leaving, but very excited for you. How can we help you with this process? Thank you. Is there anything I need to do before leaving? I tried to find some information on your website, but couldn't find much. You just need to file out a form about your departure and return the keys to us. Since you also have a flatmate, you'll have to make sure she is willing to pay the full rent if no one else is replacing you. That's it? That's all, ma'am. Is it fine if I leave my furniture behind? You will have to discuss that privately with your flatmate. What if I lost my keys? Then you'll have to pay a fee so we can hire a locksmith to change the locks at your current place. It is a bit expensive, but we do this to prevent our tenants from losing their keys too many times. I see. How much will it cost? $50, ma'am. I got it. Thank you so much. It's all good, ma'am. Can I help you with anything else? I don't think so. If anything happens, can I call you again? By the way, can I get your name as well? It's Lena, ma'am. Please do not hesitate to call or visit the agency anytime you want. We are always happy to help. Thank you. Have a great afternoon, Lena. You too, ma'am. Goodbye.